Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Cheryl Technology Channel. My name is Chris, and I have had some serious technical difficulties. This mic is that almost hit me in the head. This mic is no longer any good. It's a Rode mic. It is very staticky and stuff, and I'm using a different mic. I got it at the flea market for $10. So let's see how it does. Okay, y'all. Welcome to Cheryl Technology Channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, where we do all things tech. And in this one, we're going to be doing a little bit of a different video. This video spawned from an issue that I had a while back. I was trying to re-image my computer because I had let me just show you. It was the Intel Optane. Oh my goodness gracious alive. Optane SSD 900p. There it is right there. This is the one I had, right? It said it's discontinued, and the problem is that when I went to install the driver, right now, I looked. I could not find any video that showed me how to do this. There were some. They were wrong. All of them were wrong. Every one of them. So I decided, you know what? I'm going to do a video that's going to show you how to do this. So when you go to install Windows 11, what's going to happen is it's going to pull up the window and it's going to say, hey, there's no drive to install this operating system to. Load a driver. So then I thought, okay, well, let's do this. So this is my motherboard. Go to your motherboard's website. I went to, for me, this is the one I have, the Gigabyte Z690 RS Elite AX revision 1.4. The revision will be on the box that it came in. That's where mine was at. Let's see. So if we go to the support tab, we're going to select Windows 11, and then we're going to scroll down to where it says SATA RAID AHCI. And I thought, oh, IRST. This is the right one, the Intel Rapid Storage Technology, because everybody said that that's the one it was. Wrong. It was not that one. I tried this one and could not find, and it would not install the driver. But when I did this one, okay, I'm just going to download it so I can show you. Okay, that was done already. Okay, let's open the file. Now, if we extract this, I'm going to extract it for you here. Let's extract it. And then see where it says IRST? This is the one I needed right here. So when you maneuver through the file structure, so when you select, it'll have a browse button. You browse to this file. You'll put this file on a flash drive, and then you'll navigate to this flash drive. I wish I could show y'all, but when you pull it up, it'll say browse. You click the browse button. You navigate to this flash drive that you just drag this and drop this on a flash drive. And when you navigate, you'll open it up, and then it'll show you this path. And then you'll do VMD, because VMD is what you need. And then you'll select this. And it's one of these. One of these will be the actual file that you need. And I had two of them. One was a manager controller, and the other was just a controller driver. So I selected the manager, and everything was cool after that. I clicked the install button. Everything was perfect. It worked absolutely flawlessly. I spent $30 on a piece of software because everybody kept telling me, this is the one you need. No, I had to use this one. That's the one I had to use to get this to work. After I installed this, it said, oh, you have all of these drives. It showed every drive that I had, all of them, including, check this out. So my local disk, if I go to properties, I don't know if it'll actually show you. Yeah, right here. Here it is, an Intel SSD PED 1D 280. So mine is the 280 gig one. That's this one. I have this very one is the one I have. This is one of the best. Look, y'all. These drives are built to last a lifetime. They're built to last a very long time. That's what they're built for. They're built to read and write forever. They're built to last a really long time. Now, I don't know how long they're going to last exactly, but I do know that it says petabytes. So 5.11 petabytes. Let's compare that to a regular NVMe. Let's just do let's do a 280 gig NVMe drive. Let's just go look at one. See? Oh, yes. Boy, I love that. See how much they cost? I didn't pay that much. This is what I paid for mine, $180. Worth every penny. No. I paid $125. That's what I paid. I got mine on, that's what I paid. It was excellent, man. The shipping took a little while, but it was very good. Why is that not? Okay, so see, the price is lower. Let's do Crucial. Let's do a crucial. Let's put in here crucial P3. Let's do that. Let's do this. We're going to find out what the difference is. Let's separate these out here so y'all can see them for yourself. We'll accept all that junkola. And we'll just do this one. And we're going to see if we can find some specs on this thing. Let's see. General storage. Let's see if it'll give us all of this information. That's the biggest thing. Okay, here we go. So SSD endurance. Look here. Look at the difference. 5.11 petabytes written. This one is 110 terabyte. That don't sound like a big difference. That is a humongous difference. And so let's do this. Let's see. How many terabyte? TBNAPB. 1 terabyte equals 0.001 petabyte. Think about that. So if we do this, we do 110. That's 0.11 petabytes. Okay. Think about this, y'all. Think about this. So you have a drive here. This drive right here outperforms this one by a mile. Okay, so let's look at the sequential read and writes. Look, now the read, it spanks it. But if you look, the bandwidth read and write, they're more like in line with each other. There's not a big gap between the two. So think about that. It's a 5-year warranty. That's a pretty good warranty. This one is too. See, that's what I'm telling you is that, look, y'all, if you are wanting to buy a drive for $40, go ahead and be my guest. It's probably going to last you a really long time. But here's what I know. What I know is that if you buy a drive that can write 5.11 petabyte, that's like 10 of these, 20 of these. That's an insane amount of writing. That's an insane amount. Look at this. 1.6 million hours. That's insane. So that's what I'm saying, y'all, is that these drives are built to last, and that's why I bought one, is because I knew that it might not be faster, but long term, it's going to last me a lot longer, because that's what they're built to do. Now, I know what y'all are thinking, but Chris, why did you do all this? Well, so the main objective of this video is I couldn't find one that could show me how to do this. I had to figure this crap out on my own. And so this is what I found. If I use this Intel SATA pre-installed driver, it makes no sense, because an NVMe slot is not a SATA drive. That's what doesn't make any sense. This is the one it should have been, but it didn't work. This one worked the first time. That's what I'm telling you. That's what I know. That's what I did, and it worked. So if you are struggling with way to get your motherboard to see your drives, your NVMe drives. I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3. I have 3 NVMe's and a PCI Express card. So my Optane is my PCI Express card. And I did a video, an install video on it too. So y'all can check that out. That's what I found, is that when I use this, it worked perfectly fine. I had no issues. And that's what I'm telling you. If you're struggling to get through this, please, for the love of all that's holy, reach out to me in the comments, and I will be more than happy to help you. Because I'm telling you, this crap can be difficult. If you don't know all the ins and outs of this stuff, it can be hard. When you try to find something online, most of the time it's like you hit a brick wall and there's nothing, you can't figure it out. So that's what I'm saying to y'all. If you need help, just reach out to me, man. I'll be more than glad to help you. We've come to the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed this. May the Lord bless each and every one of you. And if you don't know Jesus, I pray that you would reach out to me in the comments, and I will be glad to pray with you and help you any way I can. I will do what I can do. And everybody, I pray that you learned something from this video. I pray that it helps you to take your knowledge to a different level. Just as it has me, I learned a lot of stuff through this. And everybody, until my next video, thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.